Before going to the actual satellite area, there is a business presentation by CDOT Mr. Sundar Kumar. I request him to confine to 2 to 3 minutes before we go to the satellite segment.
I would like to thank ISA and as well as ISRO for giving an opportunity to share our experience. CDOT Center for Development of Telematics, it was established in 1984 with a view to establish a world-class telecom center so that we need not worry about anything. We have collected various people from various industries and IITs and RECs at that time. And with 150 people, 36 months, 36 crore was given. The first digital exchange was developed indigenously and put into the network in 1987. So we have started our digital India at that time itself. The main aim is to have innovative solutions. Creativity is more important, innovation is more important. Second thing is handle the project of national importance. That is a security. Wherever there is no return on investment or the country is at stake, we come into picture. We provide the entire support for the defense as well as for the security sectors in terms of telematics, in terms of support in electronic manufacturing also. We have two campuses, one in Bangalore, another in Delhi. I would like to tell you that only 1070 people. We are generating millions and millions of dollars worth infrastructure in India. I would like to say 2/3 of the equipment working in the network, Indian network, is designed, developed, and deployed in the field by the CDOT manufacturers as well as vendors, supported by vendors, and it is fully indigenously developed technology. I would like to say that when today you are talking about this BharatNet, 250,000 villages are going to be connected with the cities through our GPON network. That is, the BBNL is taking this action. We have a world-class infrastructure in both the places. And apart from that, we are end-to-end solution we are providing to the nation. That is, either it is a network service or a switching service, wireless, or security or optical. So you can see that these are all the current cutting-edge technology CDOT is working on right now. And the important thing is we are giving the end-to-end solution to this Indian telecommunication network. So these are all our current products. You can see that all types of products, whether it is a optical or a wireless or satellite, all types of products we are indigenously developing. And it is, I would like to give thanks to all the vendors whom we have developed. More than 2,000 vendors we have developed in India, and more than 75 manufacturers we have developed in India. In 1984, there was not even a single person who can give this electronic exchange. So with that view, we have started with the 36 crore. Today, I would like to proudly say that we are generating more than 150 crore per year with 1070 engineers from various places. And I would like to tell you that this is the technology which is going to take over in India. That is, all the people are talking about wireless. Yes, there is a connectivity problem. There is a bandwidth problem. Finally, India is going to have this 5G technology for which the basic infrastructure is going to be the optical technology which CDOT has already developed and deployed in the field. Wireless technology, of course, you cannot avoid. Without a wireless technology, you cannot connect it. And I had been hearing this various presentations. Yes, we have to have the combined, that is optical, wireless, satellite, as well as any other technology. We have to combine together and make a solution for that. And we have developed software solutions, what is required for the network. And finally, we have developed indigenous solar power technology so that whenever power is not there in the villages or in the remote areas, through the green technology, we could power the equipment. And we have developed a world-class network management system. Many MNC exchanges are there. they are not willing to share their information, but our smart engineers, they have collected all the information. We have collected all the information through APIs, and we have deployed all the network and monitoring other equipments also through our network management system. And this is the common service platform, one of the best products we have developed. The reason being, today, the Indian government has announced 100 smart cities. How many smart cities are in place? The reason being, there is no standardization. People are working in silos, but we have to have a common service platform, multi-vendor concept, so that everybody can be brought into this common service platform, basically identifying the requirements and then routing through this network as per the application network. This is a mantra. We are not only doing the research, we have transferred the technology. We are the only organization in the whole world doing the transfer of technology through which we have achieved everything. So by sharing, you are going to grow. We are not going to lose anything. You can see that when we collect the concept, we design the products, we develop the basic vendors, manufacturers, and whatever we preach, before we preach, we always test it, prove it, and then we transfer the technology. The type of documentation we give, we develop the people till they can design the product also. Up to that one, we are developing the required infrastructure as well as manpower. You can see here, proudly say that one, these are all indigenous manufacturers. Thanks to Bell, ITI, and so many other industries. In the beginning, even the United Breweries were made into electronics. United Telecom today, that once upon a time it was a Mallias group. And Arlam Electronics, it was Arlam Breweries. People were making breweries, but today they are making equipments for India. There is no doubt in that. So we have the capability, we have the people to achieve that one. What is lacking? The commitment has to come from everywhere. And these are all the 5 things we always, whenever we do a product, first one is, it is indigenously developed or not, cost effective or not. Second thing is the portfolio of products, end-to-end products you should have. Otherwise, you cannot depend upon anybody else. Third one is proven innovation and transfer of technology. You have to share the knowledge, you have to share everything, then only people will understand and then they can help you. Then support the products. See, today we are selling the country to the other people like MNCs because we have the capability. Unless otherwise it is manufactured in India, it is supported by India, it is going to be supported for the lifetime of the product. And finally, the well-defined technology roadmap. You cannot sit on the past glory. You have to think what else you are going to do after 5 years, after 10 years. That's what we thought. We started with the basic landlines. 10 million lines have been already deployed in the field, and now we are replacing all the 10 million lines with our next generation network, IP-based network. And not only that, 5G network is the future. Last month I was there in UK. UK people, top 3 universities are coming to India with CDOT. They have tied up for joint development. That is the capability Indians are having. So we are, hum kisi se kam nahi hai. Then this is the mode of engagement CDOT can have. I would like to offer, as a board member, I would like to offer to ISRO, proudly say that one, as Indians, we can support this ISRO in whatever manner it is. I would like to tell you that we have already supported space technology through DRDO, and successfully first phase was completed. Second phase is going to be completed within 3 months. So in the electronics, in the warships, 12 warships, all the 12 warships are sailing with indigenous technology developed by CDOT, manufactured by Bharat Electronics. So this is the sector. Defense also we are there. We are there in the space also. Wherever you wanted, we can give the entire support to the country. And this is the Make in India. People are talking about Make in India. Is it designed for India? Is it designed in India? Is it designed by Indians or manufactured in India? It's not like that, putting the name and then selling it off in the Indian name. So as a citizen, every one of us, we have to think, this is what make in India. If all these steps are there, if any MNCs are coming forward to India and then give the transfer of technology, if it is going to be designed, manufactured, supported by our Indians, please go ahead. I am, as an Indian citizen, I am telling you people, this is the opportunity everybody has to open up. Keep our interest, self-interest aside. And if we follow this, what space, any amount of technology, any amount of product, we can definitely do in India because we have the capability, we can do it. Then finally, these are all our achievements, and it is working in the field. And I would like to thank for this opportunity. It's a wonderful audience. I would like to say, you are the people who has to take India to the next level. I would like to thank ISRO. They have not only put their India name in the map in the sky high. Thank you very much and all the best.
Thank you, Mr. Sundar.